Now I brought you here to my website today because I know that there's two things that you need more of in your business. You need more leads and you need more money in your pocket. And my goal here is to show you exactly how to get more of both starting today. Now, like most people in this industry, I've had my years of struggle. I've been involved now for 7 years in the industry, and my first 6 years were nothing but struggle. I could never make more than a couple $100s a month. And I did everything that my upline told me. I made my list of friends and family, contacted them all, went to business events, networking events, handing out business cards, handing out flyers, even prospected strangers in shopping malls. I bought my leads, hundreds of leads, spent hours and hours on the phone trying to convince people to join me in my business. And if you've done any of these things, then you know that they absolutely do not work. I then tried to move my business onto the internet. Spent months of trial and error, hundreds of dollars on ebooks, courses, and trying to figure out how to build my business on the internet. I made a little bit of progress, but I still could never make more than just a couple of $100s a month. And that's when last year I finally had a breakthrough. I met someone and he exposed me to a system and a different way of looking at my business that completely changed my results. I literally went from making a couple $100s a month in my business to making almost $25,000 in commissions my first 6 weeks using the system and the tools that I'm going to share with you here today. Just last month I had a $25,000 week while I was sitting out by the pool in Phoenix with my friends. Now, I don't tell this to you to impress you in any way. I just want to let you know what's possible. Because I've been in your shoes and I know that you are tired of struggling. I know that you're tired of doing things that just absolutely do not work. And you know that there's a better way. You absolutely know that there's a smarter way of doing your business and there's a better way of getting the results that you want to get. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you here today. You know, I was lucky enough to have somebody show me. And if you haven't had anybody to show you this yet, you might not know what's possible. So that's my goal here today, is to share that with you. Now, if you doubt me, that's fine. I can understand that. I'm not asking you to believe me at this point. I'm going to prove it to you through the next series of videos and through the training I'm going to show you. But all I want you to know is what's possible. I want you to imagine for a second having a marketing system in place that basically does all of the hard stuff for you. It virtually eliminates all of the reasons why most people fail and struggle in this industry. Imagine a system where you don't have to chase after prospects anymore. You actually have people contacting you on a regular basis. Imagine no more spending hours on the phone qualifying people, dealing with deadbeats and tire kickers. Imagine no more prospecting, no more telling, no more explaining, no more selling ever again. How's that possible? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you here today. Put your name and email address in the form below, and I'm going to lay out for you a complete step-by-step plan to exploding your income in the next 90 days. I'll see you on the other side.